Hey, thank you for asking for more information. So, I'm Zoe. I am a first time mum from Cambridgeshire in the UK. I have done network marketing before about 5 years ago, and then recently, when I was on my maternity leave, I was in the evenings, I was feeling a little bit lonely because my husband works in the evenings, and I stumbled across a different company. Joined them, did really well. Things weren't quite sitting right with me, and then this brand new company launched, and it was really exciting, and I have not regretted it ever since. So this is actually for anyone. It's for students, for stay-at-home parents, carers, employed, unemployed, part-time employed, full-time employed. It's for anyone. And I can see you thinking, well, how is it for everyone? That's because it's got zero startup fee. So you don't have to buy any packages or anything like that. You can just join and start making money straight away. It has no bulk ordering either. There are a few companies which do actually encourage you to bulk order, and then you have to put these products that you can't sell on eBay or things like that, and there's no selling on eBay, no selling on Amazon or anything like that. And there's also no starter packs. We do obviously encourage you to be a product of the product and use them, but you don't have to buy straight away. You can wait a little bit until you've built up your commission and then buy your product from that. So the CEOs, got something in my eye. The CEOs, they are from Yorkshire and they're now living in California. They're millionaires. They are the most lovely couple I've seen in this industry, and they didn't even need to start this company. They just didn't need to do it, but they wanted to do it because they wanted to change the face of network marketing. So we launched in April 21 with 20 products. Now, for a company to launch globally with 20 products, that is really good. So we've got 4 different product lines. We have a hemp line, skincare range, health and wellness range, and a weight loss range. Now, this is actually a dropship company. So we ship across the globe. You can have customers anywhere in the world and we will ship directly to them. You don't need to place that order for them, package it up, go to the post office and send it to them. They can log into your website with the provided link, order it, and it will be sent directly to them. You don't even need to touch it, and that is brilliant, because another company I've been with, you have to buy it all in, package it all up neatly, trying to get every order right, and then wasting time going to the post office when you could be doing anything other than that. Do something fun, go out with your family for something. So to me, that is one of the main reasons I really like this. Because I really don't like wasting time packaging things up that have already been packaged to come to me to go to somebody else. Now, why would you want to work from home? I know why I want to work from home. I want to work from home because I don't want to miss a second of my little boy growing up. He goes to nursery 2 days a week, and he doesn't see me all weekend because I have to work all weekend. Now, I will retire from my full-time job, and I will be doing this full-time for my little boy. It just gives you freedom as well. So you can go on days out. You can just, I don't want to work today, I'm going to go to the beach instead. You can do that with this. You don't have to have a commute to work. You don't have to miss out on family time. And I really miss family time at the moment. And it's really silly, but I miss like Saturday night TV. You can do this job part-time. You can do it full-time. You can even just use it as your own shop. You don't have to sell anything if you don't want to. You could just sign up and use it as your own shop. That's absolutely fine too. So what do you get when you sign up with me? You get your own shop link and back office. So you can give that link out to somebody the same night and you'll be earning yourself commission. It gives you the freedom that we've already spoken about, and I will give you training and full support. That we have a couple of groups for the training, but I will be there whenever you need me. So you don't need to stress about anything, and you don't need to think, oh, I can't do lives, I can't do videos. I said the exact same thing back in, where was it? November, I think, is when I started. Honestly, I was exactly the same, said the same thing. I didn't want to do it. And now look at me, my confidence has grown so much, I don't mind doing it. So if you want any more information, we have a customer group where they have some absolutely amazing testimonials in there. We have an opportunity group as well, and we also have an opportunity call every Wednesday. So if you want the link to that, you can just let me know. It is a Zoom call, but you don't have the camera on, you don't have to speak, you're purely just listening to what the speaker has to say. But please, 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 if you have any questions or anything at all, just reach out to me. I'm always here. I've always got my messenger on, ready for you. However, I do want to say, if this isn't for you, please let me know, because I don't want to waste your time and you don't want to waste my time. So, you know, just say, Zoe, it's not for me. That's absolutely fine. It's not for everybody, but if it is for you, just ask me some more questions. And I'll leave it at that. Thank you very much for watching this video. If somebody else has sent it to you, please get back to them with any more questions. Thanks. Bye.